Ivory the white cat strolls into a sunlit kitchen and begins a playful cooking show with AI gadgets. On the market balcony, Ivory sniffs herbs and negotiates with a friendly drone vendor for perfect tomatoes. Back home, she whisks batter with a swish of her tail and offers a pretend taste to the audience. She tidies tiny dishes and lines a colorful snack parade along the cat condo as the toaster pops. The day ends with a cozy sunset nap by the window, dreams of new adventures forming in soft purring rhythm.